Okay? We all know that when we want to read, we depend on sounds. We don't depend on the alphabets. Okay? So it is very important. If you want to teach your kid how to read, you focus on the sounds. We have 26 letters and we have 44 sounds. بداية نركز على الأصوات إذا أردنا تعليم الطفل القراءة وليس على الحروف. عندنا 44 صوت و26 حرف. 26 حرف 44 صوت. فما نقولش A, B, C. No, say A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, and sometimes R, J, K, L, O, P, K, or W, R, S, T, A, or U, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. We say at the beginning of the word we say في بداية الكلمة نقول ak, ak, ad, af, ag, edge, ek, am, an, or or, at, av, as. في بداية كلمة الصوت يبقى زي ما بنعمل في العربي. في نص الكلمة in the middle of the word we don't say we say ba, ba, then ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, ma, na, ra, ha, ta, va, za. Then bat, bat, cat, dad, fan, gap, hat, jar, car, man, nap, rat, pan, tap, van, sack. And with each sound you'll do the same. مع كل صوت هنعمل نفس الموضوع في البداية ثم في نصف الكلمة وهكذا. with phonics of sounds. Phonemic awareness. It is the smaller category of phonological awareness. It is the smaller category of phonological awareness. What's phoneme? The smallest chunk of sound in language. It could be represented by a letter or a cluster of letters. Like what? Like this one. Look. T is T. Only one letter, only one sound. And here is, okay, that's called phoneme. Sound, like sound. Some activities, okay. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? The first one. Here will be K, D or P, because it's very small, puppy. F and E. This is the game, لعبة. إيه أول صوت؟ تقولش إيه أول حرف؟ K, P or D. Puppy, the sound will be P. And dog, it will be D. This is isolating. What do we call it? الموضوع ده اسمه isolating. When you ask at the beginning sound, what is the beginning sound? Number 2, what sounds are in the word? What sounds are in the word? ايه الأصوات اللي موجودة في الكلمة؟ Teacher and the students. Say the sounds of cat. Say the sounds of cat. ايه الأصوات اللي في كلمة cat? He would say ك a t cat. Cat. Say the sounds of fish. Yes, excellent. Fish. F fish. Say the sounds of egg. Egg, not egg. 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 G. Yes, what do we call that? Segmenting. It's segmenting. هيقول الأصوات اللي في الكلمة هيفككها إلى أصوات. What is the new word? Teacher, students. Yes, that. It's that. A new game. That. What's the, yes, excellent. That. Then, she. Yes, she. Blending. This is called blending. Blending. Yes, what is the game? Identifying. Identifying. What sound is the same? What sound is the same? إيه الصوت المتشابه هنا؟ Lion, lamb, lemon. Yes, sound. This is the game. It helps the students to read and to pronounce in a good way. So, lion, lamb, and lemon, sound. Identifying. This is called identifying. Then, yes. Which picture, word doesn't belong? Which picture or word doesn't belong? ايه الصورة أو الصوت أو الكلمة اللي لا تنتمي للمجموعة دي؟ Here I say according to sounds. طبقا للإيه؟ للأصوات. Here this is puppet. Yes, they would say puppet, puppy, then monkey, then present. يبقى إيه الكلمة المختلفة؟ monkey. ليه؟ عشان عندي puppet, puppy, present. So what do we call that? Categorizing. Categorizing لما أقول إيه الكلمة المختلفة أو طلع الكلمة المختلفة في الصوت عن الباقي. What is the new word? إيه الكلمة الجديدة؟ Let's see. Teacher, students. Ball without b. Ball without b. It will be what? Yes, excellent. Oh. Ball without b. لما نشيل من كلمة ball الساوند ب هتبقى all. Fat without f تبقى ايه؟ at. Man without m. Man without m هتبقى it will be an. What do we call that? Deleting. Deleting. بنحذف حرف ونطلع الصوت. الألعاب دي في منتهاها الولد بيعرف ان التعامل مع اصوات وليس مع حروف وبيقدر يقرا تدريجي. Again. Yes. But change b with h. It will be what? Hug. The word bug. Bug. When I erase b and put h, exchange it with that. Change this with that. لما بدل الصوت ب تبقى hug. Fat change f with m will be what? Mat. Excellent. Then shot, shot, change sh with m will be not. Substituting. We call it substituting. استبدال. مراجعة على اللي اتقال. أول واحدة when I ask what is the first sound you hear in bag؟ أول صوت ب ده اسم isolating. طيب لما أقول say the sounds separately لما أقول الأصوات منفصلة cat segmenting. لما أقول كمل الأصوات في كلمة جديدة read اسمه blended. What sound is the same إيه الصوت المتشابه fix fall font اسمه identifying. Which word doesn't belong؟ أي كلمة لا تنتمي للمجموعة ديت طبقا للصوت bus, bun, brick will be break. Deleting what's here without a أحذف أول صوت وأقول الكلمة تبقى إيه؟ ده اسمه deleting. The word is mob. لما change with top. What do we call that? Substituting. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Assalamu alaikum.